Electro-hydrostatic actuation has the potential to deliver huge value to a wide range of markets, customers, and applications. This includes aerospace, automotive, defense, mobile, and the industrial sector. Aerospace manufacturers can take advantage of significantly better control over flight control surfaces, and therefore the vehicle. They can take advantage of a digital product that allows them to generate data, use data, and make better decisions on things like maintenance, operability, and reliability. And they can use significantly less energy for the actuation process than they do today. When we use our electro-hydrostatic actuator within the industrial sector, for example, within test systems, we can realize a huge range of benefits. These include the ability to generate significant amounts of intelligence and data and allow us to optimize the way that we run these systems. This onboard intelligence allows us to develop intrinsically safe products. And we can do this whilst using significantly less energy to deliver the duty cycle required. Within the automotive sector, there are huge benefits that can be realized by using our electro-hydrostatic actuators. Our smart products capture data constantly, and this enables our customers to make much better decisions on the vehicle. This leads to increased safety, this leads to increased performance, and decreased energy use.